If you want to add fingerprint on Xiaomi 17, then you need to open the settings on your phone and then scroll down a little bit until you find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Now once we go over here, we should be able to find the fingerprint unlock option. You need to have a screen lock password created in order to be able to set up the fingerprint, so make sure that you have that. So let's go over here and then enter your screen lock password in order to continue. After that, we can tap on the record option. We have the information about the screen protector, so if you have applied your own screen protector, then it may interfere with the fingerprint recognition, but generally speaking, you should be fine. Over here we have our fingerprint scanner in this place, so what you need to do is you need to touch it with the finger that you want to scan, of course. So we can touch it and hold it, there we go. And now we should be able to move it around. You don't have to lift your finger. There we go, and that's all you have to do. Of course, if you want to, you can add more fingerprints. You can even scan one more time exactly the same finger if you want to ensure that it is going to work perfectly. But usually if you just scan it like that, then it's going to be completely fine. And we also have some additional settings, of course, that you can go through in order to make some adjustments. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.